Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new session in which we will understand the concept of VN series. So, what is VN series? How does it look like? And how we will manipulate the questions? Okay. So, suppose that you are handling certain questions, and the question will never look like APGP, HPAGP, or like similar game. Okay, so in those kind of situations, what you have to do, you have to do subtractions. Okay, you have to find out the difference. So look at this. Suppose this is your, like, we will have two types of questions. Okay, so I'll go with case 1. Case 1, just be super slow and try to observe. Every dot will be clear. Okay, so in this situation, after some difference, after some difference, number become the same. Okay, so, like, try to understand this thing. Suppose you have a series a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6, a7, and this thing will keep on going. Okay, you're not able to connect with the idea, so what you have to do, you have to find out the difference, this minus this. Okay, a2 minus a1. Suppose you got b1, b2, b3, b4, b5, b6. Okay, and things will keep on going. Suppose that again you did not get the same numbers, so what you have to do, again you have to keep on doing this mazdari. Suppose it is c1, c2, c3, means c1 is what, b2 minus b1, b3 minus b2, b4 minus b3. This is the idea. c4, c5. Okay, so this thing will keep on going. Okay, till the time you get a constant number, means 5 5 5 5 5, 2 2 2 2 2, 3 3 3 3. Okay, so this is the case 1. So if you will fall under this situation and you are supposed to write down the formula for nth term, how will you respond? Look, first you will be writing a1 plus, then you will be writing b1, leave some space, then you will be writing c1, leave some space. You know that after c1 you will be writing d1, then you will be writing e1, and things will keep on going. Okay, it will never stop, means it will stop at the point where you will get constant numbers. Okay, now this you wrote first things. Now what you have to do, you have to leave the first element and then start from the second one. Write n minus 1, then n minus 1, n minus 2, then n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Okay, I'll adjust this thing. So here you will have d1, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on. Now you wrote one component on the numerator, so 1 factorial. You wrote two additional thing, 2 factorial. You wrote three additional things, so 3 factorial. Okay, so this is how you will be writing d1, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 by 3 factorial. Okay, so this is how you will be writing your formula for nth term. Now you wrote your formula for nth term, now you can apply the limit. Okay, so this is case 1. Now in next scenario, what will happen, means case 2. like after doing some difference, okay, you will observe that at some stage, okay, series become GP. Okay, so instead of here, what we are observing, we are trying to observe same number, but you didn't get the same number, instead you got things in GP. So this is also okay, this is type 2. And here you have to write down the formula for nth term. So how will you respond? You will be writing Tn, and you will be writing AR to the power n plus polynomial of k minus 1 order. Now, what is a? A is a variable. Okay, you will be using a, b, c, d as a variable. Okay, now who is r? R is the common ratio. Okay, now you know that you are writing formula in terms of n, so here you will be writing polynomial of k minus 1 order. K minus 1 order means what? K is what? K is the number of majduri you did. Okay, mazduri means the number of steps that you have used. Okay, suppose you have taken 5 steps, so k becomes 5. Number of step is 10, so it is k is 10. So 10 minus 1, 9 order polynomial you have to write. Means you have to write down a polynomial of degree 9. Okay, so this is how you will be handling questions of this type. So I hope you got little bit of idea about the topic, and when you will observe the question based on these scenarios, you can apply it wisely, and I hope you guys can crack those questions. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.